also understand how great the joy can be when one receives the grace of being healed. It's as great a miracle as a person with cancer or HIV being healed. All miracles have value, and often, it is the person who is healed who measures its value. Now listen to a woman who is completely healed from her constant headache and backache that she felt like it will break up.
Ngikhohle ukukhuluma i-testimony yami. Lokho engisithi ngizokutshela nge-testimony yami lokho engakakutshela. Uyakhumbula laphana ngikhala ngekhanda ukuthi ikhanda even ngingazile. Ikhanda lami liyabe buhlungu. That day lanyenza. Kona kade lingasekho buhlungu. Anti yacabanga ukuthi vele every time ade ngihlala ngikubuza into khona amaphilisi. Ngicela amaphilisi, ngithi semphila amaphilisi. Mama lokhu uzeni. Phayini amaphilisi la ade ngithi ngithengele wona. Bengagcina nemntana kwaphuza ikhanda lisangichayi angisashaya ikhanda abeyile problem yeqolo. Iqolo lami sometimes ade ngithi mamvuka so ekuseni vele ade lingahlali iviki lingekho buhlungu. Libe buhlungu nanto lizophuka phakathi. Iqolo lami manje I am healed. Iqolo lami alisekho buhlungu mama. Bengisathi ngisalalelisa emhlanje sengize ngithi kathi nganthiwa kulento engiyilokhuzayo manje ngithi ngicabanga ikhanda lisekho buhlungu neqolo lami alisangihluphi ngisho mntakami. I thank you Jesus.